Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to make your own eye-catching movie poster from scratch in Canva? Click the Create button to start a new project. In the search bar, type Poster and select the Poster option from the results. Choose the landscape orientation to set the layout. Next, type Elements to search for design elements you can add to your poster and enhance your design further. Type Supergirl as your movie title in the text box, then press Enter to confirm and move to the next step. Click the Generate button to create your results. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you can review the generated output and proceed to the next step in the workflow. Add the image to this section, then update the necessary information here to reflect the new content and changes you want to display. Click the arrow next to the menu to expand it. This will reveal additional options that you can select or configure as needed to further customize your settings or view more information. Center the element on the page. Next, add background color to the left and right sides to create contrast. This method highlights the centered element while visually separating it from the surrounding space using colored side backgrounds for emphasis and style. Start with a plain black background. Next, navigate to the Effects panel to add visual interest. Scroll through the available effects and select the one that best fits your project's needs. Click once to apply it to your black background. You'll immediately see the changes in the preview window. If you want to adjust further, you can tweak the effect settings for a customized look. After making adjustments, your black background will feature the new effect. Click the Share button in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the Download options, choose PDF print for the file type. Confirm your selection, then click Download to save the document as a print quality PDF. The file will be saved to your device. You just learned how to design a movie poster in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.